Fulbright to me means making friends from all around the world.
Fulbright has made it possible for me to broaden my horizons.
Fulbright means exposing yourself to an environment you have everything to learn from.
Fulbright for me is not only an opportunity to explore the United States, but also countries all over the world throughout meeting diverse and different people with different backgrounds and culture.
Fulbright means to me expanding my comfort zone and changing my perspectives.
For me, Fulbright is an opportunity to see new people.
Fulbright to me is challenging yourself and your ideas in order to understand the community around you.
Fulbright Foreign Student Program provides an amazing opportunity for students from around the world to gain an education in the topic they're interested in and which can help in further development of the countries around the world.
As someone who comes from multiple cultures, Fulbright represents the opportunity to engage in mutual understanding and cross-cultural communications between different groups of people.
Программа Fulbright позволяет обогатить себя не только получением одного из лучших образований в мире, в США, но и также встретить множество представителей с различными культурами, не только пребывая в США, но и после. Например, как сейчас я нахожусь в этом зале гостеприимного Dushanbe.
Fulbright means cross-cultural collaboration and forming relationships that will always be a part of me.
My grandfather participated in a Fulbright in 1986, 35 years ago, and now I'm a Fulbright ETA in 2021. So for me, Fulbright is a personal, familial, and national legacy that I'm proud of because of the work and support that it does to create an international network of scholars and academics.
Participating in the Fulbright program was a life-changing experience. I get to meet a lot of great people from all around the world and make friends.
For me, the Fulbright program is about transforming lives and working for the greater common good on a global scale.